Did you know that over 30 million Americans suffer from kidney disease, with proteinuria being a common early sign? The good news is there's a superhero vitamin that can turn the tide against kidney damage. Today's video will dive deep into how vitamin D can quickly stop proteinuria and help heal your kidneys. Let's get started on this journey to kidney health. Understanding proteinuria and kidney health. 1. Proteinuria defined. Proteinuria is when there's a lot of protein in your pee. It's a sign that your kidneys might not be working right. Normally, kidneys keep protein in the body, but if they're damaged, protein leaks into your urine. 2. Significance in kidney health. Proteinuria is important because it can be an early sign of kidney disease. Over 30 million people in the US alone have kidney disease, and catching it early can make a big difference in treatment. 3. Common causes. High blood pressure and diabetes are big reasons people get proteinuria. They can hurt your kidneys over time, making them leak protein. 4. Risks of prolonged proteinuria. If you don't treat proteinuria, it can lead to more serious kidney damage. This damage can make your kidneys work worse over time, leading to kidney failure in severe cases. 5. Importance of kidney function. Your kidneys clean your blood, help control blood pressure, and keep your bones healthy. They're vital for your overall health. 6. Effects of kidney damage. Damaged kidneys can't filter blood well, leading to waste buildup in your body. This can cause health problems all over your body, not just in your kidneys. Understanding these points about proteinuria and kidney health can help you take better care of your kidneys and spot problems early. The role of vitamins in kidney health. 1. The role of vitamins in kidney health. Vitamins support kidney health. Vitamins help keep your kidneys healthy by supporting their normal functions, such as filtering waste and balancing minerals in the body. They act like little helpers, making sure your kidneys are working smoothly. 2. General benefits. For people with kidney issues, getting the right vitamins can reduce inflammation, which can damage kidneys over time, help control high blood pressure and diabetes, common causes of kidney disease, aid in the production of energy and healthy red blood cells, which are vital for overall kidney health. 3. Specific focus on vitamin D. Now let's zoom in on vitamin D. It's not just any vitamin, it's a powerhouse for kidney health. Studies show that people with higher levels of vitamin D have a lower risk of developing kidney disease. This vitamin plays a crucial role in reducing proteinuria and helping repair kidney damage. Vitamin D stands out because it can directly impact kidney function in a positive way, offering hope for those looking to maintain or improve their kidney health. The power of vitamin D. 1. Stopping proteinuria. Vitamin D plays a critical role in reducing proteinuria. It helps by strengthening the kidney's filters, preventing protein from leaking into the urine. This is crucial for those with kidney concerns, as protein in the urine is a key indicator of kidney damage. 2. Repairing kidneys. Beyond just stopping proteinuria, vitamin D aids in the repair and healing of damaged kidneys. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce damage caused by long-term kidney diseases. 3. Scientific evidence. Studies have backed up the efficacy of vitamin D in kidney health. For instance, research shows that individuals with higher vitamin D levels have a significantly lower risk of developing chronic kidney diseases. A specific study found that vitamin D supplementation improved kidney function in patients with chronic kidney disease. 4. How it works in the body. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium and phosphate in the body, ensuring healthy bone and kidney function. It also modulates the immune system, reducing inflammation and supporting the kidneys in filtering waste more efficiently. In summary, vitamin D is a powerful ally in maintaining kidney health, offering benefits from reducing harmful proteinuria to aiding in the repair of kidney damage, supported by scientific research and crucial for overall body health. Incorporating vitamin name into your diet. 1. Natural food sources. Fatty fish, salmon, and mackerel are great sources, with a 3-ounce piece of salmon providing nearly 100% of your daily vitamin D needs. Egg yolks. 1 large egg yolk can offer a portion of your daily requirement. Fortified foods. Many cereals, dairy products, and orange juices are fortified with vitamin D, making them an easy way to boost your intake. 2. Supplementation options, daily supplements. If you're not getting enough vitamin D from food alone, supplements can be a good option. They come in various forms like pills, drops, and chewables. Recommended dosage. The recommended daily allowance, RDA, for adults is 600, 800 IU, but your doctor may suggest more if you're deficient. 3. Integration tips. Sunlight exposure. Just 10-15 minutes of sun exposure a few times a week can help your body produce vitamin D. Meal planning. Incorporate vitamin D-rich foods into your weekly meal plan. Think salmon dinners or eggs for breakfast. Check labels. When shopping, look for foods fortified with vitamin D to easily increase your intake without changing your diet too drastically. Remember, while vitamin D is essential, balance is key. Too much can lead to health issues. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have existing health concerns. Success stories and testimonials. 1. Emily's journey. Emily, a 45-year-old with early signs of kidney disease, started incorporating vitamin D into her diet and taking supplements on her doctor's advice. After 6 months, her proteinuria levels significantly decreased, and her kidney function tests showed noticeable improvement. Emily credits vitamin D for her healthier kidney markers and overall well-being. 2. Michael's experience. Michael, diagnosed with chronic kidney disease, was advised to increase his vitamin D intake through diet and supplements. He made dietary changes, including more vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish and fortified dairy products. Within a year, his doctors were impressed by the stabilization of his kidney function, attributing part of this success to better vitamin D levels. 3. Testimonial. Anna's story. Anna, struggling with proteinuria, found hope through vitamin D supplements. She noticed a significant reduction in protein in her urine and felt an overall improvement in energy and health. Anna's story underscores the power of vitamin D in managing kidney health challenges. These stories highlight the positive impact of vitamin D on kidney health, demonstrating its potential to reduce proteinuria and improve kidney function. Incorporating this vital vitamin into one's treatment plan has shown promising results, offering a beacon of hope for many facing kidney health issues. Potential side effects and considerations. 1. Side effects. While vitamin D is crucial for health, too much can lead to high calcium levels, causing nausea, vomiting, weakness, and frequent urination. In extreme cases, it can also contribute to kidney stones. 2. Interactions with medications. Vitamin D can interact with certain medications, including steroids and weight loss drugs, altering their effectiveness. It's important to monitor these interactions to avoid potential complications. 3. Consult healthcare providers. Always talk to a healthcare provider before starting vitamin D supplements, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. They can guide the right dosage and ensure it's safe for you, highlighting the importance of personalized medical advice in supplement use. Add studies and research. Studies show vitamin D helps kidneys work better and stops too much protein from leaking in pee. A big review in a science journal found people with more vitamin D had healthier kidneys. Another study said taking vitamin D can make less protein leak in your pee, which is good for your kidneys. But taking too much can be bad, so doctors say don't take a lot without talking to them first. That wraps up our dive into how vitamin D can be a game changer for your kidney health. We hope you found this information helpful and empowering. If you liked what you learned today, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on more health tips and stories. Sharing is caring, so spread the word to help others discover the power of vitamin D. Got any thoughts or experiences with vitamin D and kidney health? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep shining.